Everyone, let's make soup in slow cooker. So I have my chicken turkey neck, and I'm going to also add tripe in my soup, and I wash the meat in lemon juice and vinegar. Make sure you take the membrane off the turkey neck, clean up the tripe properly, and also the chicken. I rinse all of my vegetables and my herbs. So I add in thyme, celery, scallion / spring onion, white onion, peppers. All the ingredients will be in the description box below. I also add in chocho, otherwise known as chayote. Alright, carrots. I add in peas, guys. I add corns. I add in potato, white potato, and sweet potato. And I add in yellow yam. And I also add in my dumpling. I made some round ones and also some long one, what we call spinners. The shape like a cylinder. I also add in cock soup. And you want to add your water in, guys, and you're going to season to your liking. All right. You're going to work, or you're not going to be home all day. Then you just add all your ingredients in your slow cooker. When you come home, it will be all finished for you to enjoy. So as I said, you just season to your liking. Okay, some salt, black pepper. If you have any scotch bonnet pepper, you add it in, or you could add your crushed pepper. I also rinse off some pimento seed, some pimento berries, and add it also. And I'm just going to leave it on low, and it will let it cook about 6 to 8 hours. Okay. And I came back, guys, and it was just bubbling away. So here is my delicious and tasty soup. Please do not hesitate to subscribe, like, make a comment, and share. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. One love. God bless. Bye.